Hi, this is Stuart from the Envoke team. Just going to give you a quick run through of how the pass-through system on the Apple Vision Pro and the Meta Quest 3 will work with the digital twin of Envoke and the real products that are already in the platform. So I've never encountered a D100 before, so what I did when I was in the office was I wanted to run through how the D100 works. I wanted to use the Envoke demo to show me how to do it. Rather than having to bother anybody or ask anybody how it works, I wanted to show that I could figure it out for myself using the virtual demo. So I can take the virtual demo and put it side by side with the D100 itself. And I can work through the steps that we've put all that effort into to show exactly how to set up different processes on different instruments. Loading calibration packs, which I've never done in my life before with a product, I wanted to take it really slowly because it's quite an important process. So I've got the calibration pack and I use Envoke to prompt me at what stage to do what. All of the time, this can be guided, if necessary, by a trainer or service representative. I'm not sure at this point exactly what to do, so I go back to Envoke to double check to make sure I'm doing the right thing, and the calibration device goes in. When I'm finished, I can walk away from the device, just simply close down the demo.